Welcome to the second video in the Ranorex Studio Quick Start series, the Ranorex Studio Working Environment. This video describes the components of a Ranorex solution and the parts of the Ranorex Studio interface. Having opened Ranorex Studio, you are greeted by the Studio Start page. On the left side, in the Sample Projects section, locate the desktop example and click to open it. The Ranorex Studio user interface appears. On the left, you see the Projects view. The top item in the hierarchy is the solution. The solution contains one project and the libraries and files required to execute that project. Although it is possible to have two or more projects in a solution, it is a best practice to have just one project per solution. Below the Projects view is the Ranorex Module Browser. A module is a small unit of code that executes one or more test steps. You can combine modules to create sophisticated automated test cases. There are two types of modules: recording modules, which are created by the Ranorex recorder during a capture and replay session, and code modules, which are created by test automation engineers using C# or VB.NET. You will notice that modules can be organized into logical groups. In this sample desktop project, there are two groups: a Start and Login group with two recording modules, and a Save and Close group, also with two recording modules. Click on a module to see the variables associated with it. In the center of the screen is the File view. When you double-click on an item in the Projects window or the Module Browser, the associated file opens here. Let's look at the contents of the Add Entry recording module. When you open the recording module, the File view automatically opens in Action Editor mode so that you can edit the recording. This recording module contains a series of actions including mouse clicks, key sequences, and invoke actions. Below the actions, you can see the repository items for the recording. Each repository item represents a UI element in the application under test. If you click on the first action, you will see a screenshot of the corresponding UI element in the repository. In the next video in the Ranorex Studio Quick Start series, you will see how to record a test.